The fire-boltt Moonwatch comes with these really cool looking watch faces that you can change instantly using the rotating crown. The display goes edge to edge with absolutely zero bezels. It comes with super smooth 60Hz refresh rate, so swiping is so much fun. Hi there, this is the newly launched fire-boltt Moonwatch, and it's an all-metal smartwatch with a huge AMOLED display. It also comes with always-on mode, there's Bluetooth phone calling feature, there's health monitoring, fitness tracking and more, all for just 2,999. Awesome, right? Everyone loves an AMOLED display, including myself. But it does miss out on one big feature which we shall talk about further in this video. Now, we have two colors with us. Here are those two units. Let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. The one on the left is silver, the one on the right is gold. And if you have a closer look, you can see the image of the watch. This is an all-metal smartwatch with an AMOLED display. Some features are mentioned here. You can see the QR code of the companion app. And towards the bottom is the manufacturing details and the MRP of 21,000. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Let's open it up. We'll start with the silver variant. So right on the top is the watch itself. Then you have some paperwork that includes the user manual, the warranty card, some coupon code from Book My Show, all those details. Then we also have the strap adjustment tool, and finally the pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnets are pretty decent, strong enough so they won't snap off easily. Let's open up the gold variant, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same, but still, let's have a quick look. So we have the gold watch. Wow, this looks so premium. The same user manual, warranty card and the coupon codes, and the pogo pin charging cable. These straps come with this plastic protection to prevent the watch from any scratches in the box. Make sure you remove them. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watches. We'll start with the silver one. First we'll get rid of the screen protector. Wow, this looks like such a premium smartwatch. Look at that dial, looks so cool. By the way, this is an all-metal smartwatch. The straps, the body, everything is metal. If you look at the side here, the watch isn't too thick either, and this is a very well-built watch, solid metal. On this side you can spot there are three buttons, one on the top, one at the bottom and one in the center, and the center one is actually a rotating dial. There's also the fire-boltt logo in the center. So well built. Really nice stainless steel straps. You can spot the fire-boltt logo here as well. Press this button to release. There you go. Now the back is made of plastic, which is actually why the watch isn't too heavy, and that's a good thing. And you can spot the heart rate sensor, SPOS sensor, charging terminals below, and if you look carefully you can also spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. There's a very tiny speaker here. Can you see it? Maybe not, but there's actually a speaker here, and that is going to assist you for phone calls. Very well built. By the way, these straps come fixed, so you cannot remove these straps when you want to. You will have to go to the watch person to change that for you. But still, I can say it's a really solid watch. I don't think you're going to need to change these straps very often. Let's quickly have a look at the golden variant. Here goes the screen protector. Nikal kyun nahi raha bhai? Okay, there you go. And look at that. Wow, the dial looks even so good here. By the way, the text written inside is also gold, which matches the frame and the strap. I think this looks like a really premium watch because of that golden color, obviously. All metal, same three buttons here. Very nice build. Stainless steel straps, very good finish. fire-boltt branding, press to open. The back, heart rate sensor, SPOS sensor, charging terminals here, and of course the speaker is going to be here for phone calls. Also a really eye-catchy color. What do you think? So which one will you pick, the gold or the silver? Now when I wore the watch, I felt it's a little too loose for my wrist. Though I know there are a lot of people who like to wear it like this, but it's just not my style. So I used the provided strap adjustment tool to remove a couple of pieces from the strap, which eventually leads to a better fit. It's a fairly simple process, but just in case you aren't sure how to do it, you can go to the local watch store and ask them to adjust it for you. Now the fire-boltt Moonwatch comes with IP67 rating. So you can wear it at the gym, you can wear it for a run, you can wear it in the rain. In fact, you can even wear this watch in the pool, as this watch comes with swim tracking on board. Amazing. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now this watch comes with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, which is why you can see closely. Even the smallest text and details are so clearly visible. Absolutely crisp, very high resolution display. Now the best part to change watch faces is to use this dial. As you rotate this dial, the watch faces are changeable and they're so convenient. By the way, this is a really cool animated watch face. Check these out. Wow, if you want something simple, you can use this black color. Ooh, the textured design looks so nice. Another thing specially to worth mentioning is that this watch comes with zero bezels. There's not a single black line around the bezel, which makes it so seamless. Wow, absolutely amazing looking green watch face. And this is a white watch face, and here you can also see zero bezels. So cool. Here's a new watch face. Here there's a blue watch face. Wow, isn't this so cool? Similarly, there are many more watch faces that you can download as well. There are about 7 to 8 which come pre-installed. Really nice. Also, since this is an AMOLED display, the color reproduction is really vibrant. Blacks are perfectly pitch black. Really nice. Now as you can see, we also tested the watch outdoors to check for display's brightness. Though fire-boltt hasn't shared any info about the brightness, but I can tell you it's quite clear and very much usable. Let's have a quick look at the interface. So swipe from up to access the quick toggles. Right on the top you can see the battery percentage, you can see the watch is connected to the phone, then you can see the weather, then you can see these shortcut icons. The first one is if you want to use this watch for phone calling, keep this on. Then this is always on mode for 5 minutes. So in case you just want the display to remain on for 5 minutes, click on this and the watch display will remain on, but the battery will drain a lot faster. Keep that in mind. Then of course alarm, and you can set the alarm time directly from your smartwatch. You don't need to access the app, which I find very convenient. Then if you go back, here you can adjust the brightness. The display truly gets very bright, so that's really good. Then you have the QR code for the companion app. Then you have settings. Right on the settings you have adjust brightness. You can set a password for your watch. Then you have do not disturb. You can set the language, menu style. Here you have list style, cellular style, rolling, kaleidoscope, roller. All these options are available here. Then in system menu, there's power off, there's factory reset, there's reboot. Then raise your wrist to wake the display is also available. You can toggle it on and off. Also you can set the time duration of the display to remain on. I've set it for 20 seconds. Then if you come back to the home page, if you swipe right, you can see the heart rate. Then you can see your daily activity. Here you can see your stress tracking, SpO2, and personalization. You can add more as you want to, like for example if you want sleep tracking, you want music control, you want weather, you want call menu. We're just adding the call menu, so now that's added. Now as you go back here, you will see the call menu is also available. So similarly you can remove and add menus as per your preference. Swipe right to access some widgets which are recently used. Swipe from down to access your missed call alerts and notifications. Then when you press this button, you can access the menu. Right on the top is call menu, sports tracking, records of your workout, daily activity, dial pad to make phone calls, contacts, heart rate, stress tracking, sleep tracking, blood pressure, SpO2, breathing exercise. Then there's notice, which is basically missed call alerts and notifications. Then there's alarm, music play to control the music that's playing on your phone. You cannot save music on the watch, so keep that in mind. Then there's also the weather app, camera shutter to take pictures from your phone's camera, find phone, stopwatch, timer, world clock. Voice is basically Google Voice Assistant that you can use from your phone. Then of course you can save your favorite stocks and follow them here. Then there's standby dial, which is basically always on mode. Come here, and here you have digital dial or pointer dial, which is basically analog dial. So you can choose which one you want. Let's see how it works. So that's on digital always on mode, and I think it's really nice. It's bright and clear, and above all so colorful. And that's the analog always on mode watch face. So cool. You can see the hours, you can see the hands, and it's so clear. Also it's really bright and very much usable even outdoors. However, keep in mind that turning standby dial or always on mode on will drain your battery a lot faster. Coming back, there's settings, then you have the calculator app, which I believe is always very handy on a watch. Then you can have further themes, there's a calendar and call menu. We are basically back to that same menu, which is rotating. Overall, I can say that the interface is really nice, 60 Hz refresh rate. fire-boltt has optimized it really well, super smooth and easy to use. Alright. Coming to phone calling.
So to make phone calls from this watch, first you need to go to the menu. You can see the call menu. Go in here. You have contacts, you have call history and a dial pad. We're just going into call history and calling our last dialed number. There you can see the phone call is being dialed. Now the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of this watch. It's so clear. Also, you can mute this microphone. You can control the volume of the speaker of the watch. You can transfer this call to the phone and you can end the call directly from your smartwatch after you're done talking. Super convenient. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on this watch. Firstly, you can see the caller's name, there's a vibration alert, you can reject the call, you can answer the call and talk directly using a smartwatch. Again, you can mute the microphone, you can transfer this call to your phone, you can control the volume of the speaker and you can end the call after you're done talking.
So let's talk about the calling experience. Now, when used indoors, it's quite clear and the speaker is loud enough, and I'm sure the other person didn't know that I was using my watch to talk to him. It was that good. Outdoors too, you can hear the other person unless you're in a very noisy environment. Bottom line, excellent for indoor calls. Outdoor calls, make it quick and short. You also receive app notifications, yes, including WhatsApp alerts, and you can read the message and delete it from the watch, but sadly there's no support to reply. Coming to the fit and comfort. Yes, it's all metal, so it's a little heavy, but still didn't feel overly bulky. It's very comfortable to wear all day. The design of the watch truly stands out, looks so premium. Coming to health monitoring. So we first tested the heart rate, then we got the readings, then we also tested SpO2, we got the readings for these two, we also tested blood pressure. Now as you saw, we got the readings for all, but I always say, these are just smartwatches and use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes.
Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Boltt Moonwatch comes with over 100 plus workout modes. The best part, just press this button at the bottom to quickly access your workouts. You'll find run, you'll find treadmill, you'll find walk, cycling, climbing, basketball, badminton, football, yoga. Then you have personalization, you have the same options below. Then you can click the plus sign and you have more options in fitness. Here you can find more of those workouts. You can choose them. Relaxation, you can find these workouts here. Just click to add whichever you like and just click on this button here below. Then there are athletics, there are ball games. The best part is the watch also comes with swim tracking on board, which I think is really nice. Simply click this button and click OK. Now as you go into the main list here, you'll find that swimming and workouts have been added here. Super convenient. Now let's start a workout and see how it shows up. It will show you the duration of your workout, the time of the day, the distance, the beats per minute. Here you can see the calories burned, steps taken, and when you press this button on the top, you can either pause your workout or end your workout directly from here.
Alright, coming to the battery. So this watch comes with a 300 mAh battery that will last you for about 4 to 5 days with typical use. But if you use this watch a lot for phone calling and always on mode is turned on, then don't expect too much, maybe 1 to 2 days max, which I think is pretty good. Let's have a quick look at the CoFit Companion app.
So right here on the home page, you can see your steps and your activity workouts. You can see the calories burned, you can see the distance, you can see your heart rate, the steps taken, your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, weight. Then if you come to the second option, you can actually use your phone's GPS for your outdoor workout tracking, which is very good. So you can see it's searching for the GPS. You can use it for outdoor workouts, you can use it for cycling, you can use it for climbing. All you need to do is go into the settings and click on this play button and your workout will start recording. Then if you come to the third option, you can see that the watch is paired. You can see the battery percentage. Then there is the watch face gallery. Here you'll find a huge collection of analog and digital watch faces which you can add to your watch. Very simple. Now for example, you like a particular watch face, all you need to do is just click here and click sync. There you go, and look how amazing it looks. Further down you can see huge collection. Just go experiment. Then further, if you come into notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. And the best part is it has an option to choose all your third-party apps as well. Yes, including WhatsApp Business. So once you toggle this on, you can receive notifications from WhatsApp as well. Then incoming call alerts can be toggled on and off, anti-lost reminder, do not disturb, alarm clock, sedentary reminders, measurement unit can be set, date format can be set, vibration, you want it to vibrate once or many times, Then the backlight, you can set the time for that, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you want. Raise the wrist to wake the display can be toggled on and off. Heart rate tracking, menstrual cycle tracking for women is also available. Camera, firmware update, phone book contacts can be added directly from here. Your stock market, your favorite stocks can be added. Then you can monitor them directly on your smartwatch. So cool. World clock, you can add the number of countries and you can access the data directly on your watch. And further down, if you come in Me, you can also switch the theme and share the data with Google Fit. Sadly, there's no option to share data with Strava, but I'm good to go as long as even Google Fit is there. So that's a really good thing. The Co-Fit Companion app, though not the most polished, but still is very easy to use and almost has all the features you need.
Alright, final thoughts. Well, fire-boltt Moonwatch ticks most of the things. But if I had to nitpick, I wish this watch also came with built-in GPS, since fire-boltt calls this the Moonwatch. I mean, GPS to banta hai. I know, it's not a deal breaker. You can also use the GPS from the phone to track your workouts, which is just in case you need to. The fire-boltt Moonwatch for $2,999 offers everything you could ask for in a budget smartwatch. Amazing premium looks, an AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, and so much more. The watch is available in multiple colors and is already on sale. You can buy it from Amazon.in. I'll share the links of all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Easily recommended. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.